Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI and tech updates around the world today. A recent study from the University of Santiago de Compostela in Spain highlights the effectiveness of AI-powered chatbot ChatGPT in countering vaccine misinformation. ChatGPT demonstrated a 90% accuracy rate in addressing COVID-19 vaccine questions and debunking myths. While it's a valuable tool in combating vaccine hesitancy, researchers noted occasional inconsistencies and the potential for manipulation, emphasizing it should complement expert advice. ChatGPT's ability to provide scientifically accurate information could significantly boost vaccine confidence and public health efforts in the battle against misinformation. OpenAI's ChatGPT has introduced the Canva plugin, streamlining the process of creating visuals like logos and cards. Users can activate the plugin within ChatGPT's interface by installing it from the plugin store. To use it, describe the desired visual in the chatbot's prompt box, choose from generated options, and then customize and download the visual on Canva. The Canva plugin is currently available exclusively to ChatGPT Plus subscribers, priced at $20 per month, offering access to the advanced GPT-4 model for various tasks, including image input. The National Association of Software and Services Companies, NASSCOM, has proposed the use of artificial intelligence by the Indian government to address dumping issues in international trade. AI would be employed to analyze export-import data quickly and identify instances of dumping, where goods are sold abroad at prices lower than domestic rates. This approach could also enhance India's free trade agreement negotiations by providing data-driven insights. NASSCOM recommends adopting AI tools already used internationally, creating a central database, and leveraging AI's capabilities in data analysis and trend prediction for a more efficient and informed trade landscape. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang to explore India's potential in artificial intelligence. They discussed India's achievements in the AI sector, with Huang expressing appreciation. PM Modi highlighted the role of G20 nations in managing digital technology challenges and opportunities. He stressed AI's potential in education and skill development and urged G20 countries to promote research and innovation, particularly in the global south. PM Modi emphasized the importance of continuous learning and showcased India's commitment to innovation through Atal Tinkering Labs, fostering creativity among school children. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das highlighted the potential of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, in resolving issues with cross-border payments, such as high costs and slow processing. He emphasized CBDC's instant settlement capabilities as a game changer, making cross-border transactions more affordable, faster, and secure. The RBI has initiated CBDC pilot projects, expanding them to involve more stakeholders, and aims to use empirical data from these initiatives to inform future policies. Additionally, Das praised India's Unified Payments Interface, UPI, for revolutionizing digital payments and fostering financial inclusion. That's all for now in AI to Z. Thanks for watching Aaj Tak AI. We will meet next time in next show. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.